Welcome to our channel. If you want to rip DVDs to your Plex media server using Handbrake, follow these step-by-step instructions to digitize your DVD collection for easy streaming. Step 1. Download and install Handbrake from the official website at handbrake.fr, selecting the version compatible with your operating system. Step 2. Insert the DVD you want to rip into your computer's DVD drive and wait for the disc to be recognized by your system. Step 3. Launch Handbrake and click the source button to select your DVD drive as the input source for the ripping process. Step 4. Choose the main movie title from the list of titles detected on the DVD, which is usually the longest title by duration. Step 5. Select a preset profile such as H.264 MKV 1080p 30 or H.265 MKV 1080p 30 for high-quality output compatible with Plex. Step 6. Click the Browse button under Destination to choose where to save the ripped file, preferably within your Plex Media Library folder structure. Step 7. Click Start Encode at the top of the window to begin the ripping process, which may take 30 minutes to several hours depending on disk length. Step 8. Once encoding completes, add the output file to your Plex library and verify playback quality and subtitle functionality within the Plex interface. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.